please the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth to fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujahs, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. Well, she tied you to her kitchen chair, and she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, well, maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a cry that you hear at night, and it's not somebody who has seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken